Whoa, what up? What's that? Now looking at the box, you got the black box with the glossy Nike logo across the top. We're going to take a look at the Air Foamposite 1 PRM, the premium. Okay, so let's open the box. Now when you open the box, you got the paper. I got that same big Nike logo like on top of the box. So here it is, the Air Foamposite 1 PRM premium. Now, a lot of people have been saying, I've been hearing in the wind that people feel like the Foamposites have pretty much died out. You know, they lost this little luster. You know what I mean? So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Anyway, looking at the shoe, man, you have these accents of this teal blue. On the inside, you got that teal blue Nike check and Air. On the back, you got the penny logo in blue. And on the pull tab, you got the 4 stripes in that same teal blue. See the mesh material right there under the pull tab. Yeah, and on the actual Foamposite, you see the multicolor pattern on it. You got like a nubuck material around the black, around the shoestrings. On the bottom, you got this all black, and you got the carbon fiber. You got the penny logo on the bottom, that 1 cent logo. I mean, it's pretty much just a typical Foamposite, just with some different colors on it. You know, so with me, what I think, I'm starting to believe that, you know, the hype done died down with these, man, and I don't know. That's just the feeling that I have. You know, a lot of other people too. I heard that a lot of people waiting on those, what is it, the Foamposite Big Bangs, I believe. I heard a lot of people waiting on those, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But here's a look at that material and that color pattern that they have on the posit part of the shoe. Here's a close-up look at that nubuck. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what Nike need to do to try to bring the shoe back. I think they should just give it a break for maybe a year or two and come back with some dope colorways, and maybe that'll help. I don't know. But yeah, man, that was just a quick look at it. You know, I can't even talk right now. But I'm gonna probably, matter of fact, I am gonna do it on foot. You know what I'm saying? And give y'all a little look at them. See how you feel about them when you see them on feet. And we do have these for sale too, man. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you to go check out some of the stuff we have. You know what I'm saying? And I want to thank y'all for watching. You know, the people that have been subscribing and liking and commenting on the videos, man, I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? But stay tuned, because it's going to get doper and doper, as I said before. You know what I'm saying? And stay tuned, because I'm about to do it on feet. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504 and The Sneaker Peddler. And I'ma holler back.